You hit a nigga with a hammer one time. They start bleeding. You hit a nigga with a hammer 2 times. Now they want to go to sleep. Right. But if you hit a nigga with a hammer 3 times, that nigga's dead.
He's not dead.
Who ain't dead?
Him.
Did you just see what I just did to him? Come on, man. Look like he just got done fighting Tommy Hearns in a charity boxing match. Look like he just put his head in the bee's hive, nigga.
Not
come on, bro. Look,
dead.
That nigga's dead, bro. Look at the man's face. Look at him.
You can't kill him.
What you mean I can't kill? Bro,
Nah.
I could kill anybody that I want. Do you know what I do with these hammers?
He is not dead.
Come on, bro. You lucky I don't smash your motherfucking head in right now.
You can't kill him the same way I can't kill you. And believe me, I tried.
Bro, come on. That nigga's dead, bro. Look at... What the fuck? He's right. You can't kill me. You can't kill me. Hell, I can't even kill myself. I tried. I tried to slit my throat. I even tried to swallow the pipe. Pause. I could see that. I could see how you could go there. I could see that. Either way, the same result. Can I get a smoke?
Fuck no.
Okay. I respect that. I can respect that. I tell you what, let me go ahead and try again. Yeah. This take you out your misery, bro. You really depressing me, yeah. Okay, come on. Go ahead, close your eyes for me. No, I wanna keep my eyes open and see it. Okay, bro. Yep. Chin up now.